driving down the highway, and all of a sudden the car just stalled out. So I just took loose the fuel line, did all kind of tests I could do, but I took loose the fuel line to see what's actually in it. Fuel getting up to the injectors, and I could hear the fuel pump come on, but no fuel comes out.
No fuel pump comes out of where? Or I'm sorry, no fuel comes out of where? Is it the? Are you checking at the engine or by the tank?
I can hear the fuel pump running in the tank, but I got the line off at the injectors on the engine, and no fuel comes out of it.
Okay. And there's fuel inside the tank?
Yes.
All right. Did you check fuel pressure or any sort of fuel coming right out of the fuel pump at the tank?
No, I hadn't went to the tank end of it yet.
Did you replace the fuel pump?
I replaced the fuel pump about 2 years ago.
Sounds to me like you got a bad pump.
That's soon.
Yes, sir. Listen, if that fuel pump's running and there's no fuel pressure and we got plenty of fuel inside the tank, yeah, you got a bad pump. Otherwise, there's a major restriction in that fuel line somewhere that just, I mean, what are the chances that it just got restricted within a moment driving down the road without hitting anything or anything, obstructing the fuel line? Chances are pretty slim. So I would be willing to bet your fuel pump is bad. Now you can check the fuel line, make sure it didn't get pinched or cracked or damaged, kinked in any way, shape, or form. But if I would think you would hear that if you're driving down the road, but you can certainly double check. But I think your pump's bad.
I'm always thinking I tap into the fuel line, I guess, under the car somewhere, coming from the tank. But the car had been sitting up about 3 months.
Okay.
And I had just test driven it, went up and down the interstate, came back to the house and got just about home, and all of a sudden it just stalled out. And I sprayed some starter fluid in the throttle body. It'll crank up and cut right back over. So I didn't know if it was spark plugs or whatever. So I changed all the plugs, and then I took the fuel line off, going to the injector, found out nothing was coming out. But I could hear the pump running in the back.
I gotcha. So if it runs on starting fluid, then yeah, we know it's got spark, and we know the engine's in time. So it just tells me that it's a lack of fuel. That's why the engine isn't. That's why it runs on starting fluid, because it's just missing fuel. Everything else is working just fine.
So I was thinking I'd get closer to the pump itself, at the tank, and see if I got any fuel coming out of it, which probably not. I don't see nothing could have hit that line. Might be cheaper for me to just replace the pump again and try it again.
Did the fuel pump come with a warranty?
It's been so long ago. A fuel pump I bought off eBay somewhere. I don't even remember where I got it from.
I gotcha. Most of them only come with like a 1 year warranty, but
yeah, it's been about 2 years ago. I know exactly about 2 or more.
Okay. You can check with the if you still got the receipt, or if you can log into your account, you can double check. But if not, I think that pump's bad. I think you'll just have to replace it. The good news is I actually just found it on Amazon, $74 for a brand new pump.
That's what I'm saying. It's cheaper to replace the pump than it is for me to keep spending money on parts.
That's right. Yep. I agree.
One reason why I jumped online and called y'all guys.
Yep. Mm-hmm.
Instead of just gotta keep them sending to the dealer, because right now I can't get it out the garage. I hate to push it in.
Sure.
But I'm gonna try that, and give me probably about a week. I guess I'm gonna order off Amazon and see if a week it should work if I get a name brand pump at least.
Okay.
Cheaper that way here. Yeah, because where I stay, get it from more ride auto cars and places double the price where I could get online for the same pump.
Right.
And believe me, sometimes it's triple.
Yep.
All right, then can you contact me in about a week and see how things work out?
Well, yeah, you can reply back online anytime, and I'll be happy to help.
thank you.
All right, you're welcome. Good luck.